Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to be doing an acrylic pour swipe and I'm going to be using Prussian Phthalo Blue as my base colour, one of my favourite colours. I'm going to pair that with some blues. I've got some metallics here in the middle. I've got some light gold. This is the Arteza Waterfall Blue and this is the Mont Prussian Blue metallic. And then I've got a Cobalt Blue and a Liquitex bright Aqua green. Let's get started. Okay, I've got some gloves on and I'm going to start by pouring down my Prussian Phthalo Blue base. I'm going to spread that out a bit. Okay, I hope I've got enough of that, but we're gonna charge ahead. I'm going to just give that a quick torch. And let's get started. I think I'm going to start from up here. This is a beautiful colour, this one. I'm just going to do some small puddles. Let's go the bright aqua green. Some gold on the edge. Let's go all the colours to start with. And we'll see how this first swipe looks. Now I wonder when I pass the gold through the blue whether it's going to turn green. I've got two different colour swipe mixes here. I've got my white and my oxide black. I'm going to start with the white. Just spreading that on my palette knife. Level it out a bit. Take a little bit off, I think. Might be a little bit much. All right, here we go. Gorgeous. Really pretty. Now, do I want to stick with white? I'm going to take one up this way, I think. And I would like a darker colour. Let's go it this way this time. And we're going to stick with the white, I think, because it's sunk through quite a bit. It's taken on the colour of the paint. So let's use it again. I've got my fork handy in case I want to break anything up. Okay, here we go. And it's right in the middle, happy. And then maybe from this direction and that way. I do like the dark going through the middle there. So I think I'm gonna do a strip of that. I'm going to take the dark blue further, drag that colour up, might cross it over. We'll keep them separate. I might go through with the fork, or I might do that now. Probably going to swipe over that. Let's try that. Very green. All right. Go the white again. Okay. Okay. Do I want to add any extra detail? All right. Hopefully I've got enough paint on there. This bit here and this bit here are my favourite bits, I think. Feel like I want to go this way first, but we'll see where the weight is. Hopefully there's enough paint on here. Back to the middle. Across here. And on my sides. Just coming back this way. Just looking at my composition now. Not sure what I think about this big green line through the middle there. I feel like I almost want to break that up. I love this. Let me just think. not sure. That's a bit better. It's only a little bit of gold down here as I was thinking about coming this way. I could break that way. Could. Actually, I think I like it this way. So I am going to bring it down. It's just something not right. Yeah, I'm going to try. And let that settle. But this green is bothering me, so I'm going to take that up as well. Like that. I just love this bit through here. I've turned the composition around this way. And I think I want to run some gold through. I've got a bit of gold down here that I can pick up. Look, we have to experiment. It's the only way we can get better at these things, right? I think that's got a bit of green in it. Let's go for the clean stuff. I'm going to use my finger. Now I am thinking about using the stick. It's what I always used to do. I was thinking about swiping it a bit better, but it could end up worse. I can probably try touching this up with paint once it's dry. I think I will. I think I'll leave it till it's dry. We'll see how we get on. I haven't done a lot of that. I have been meaning to. So, yeah, I'll bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result, and I did tilt it just a fraction more, and I think I like it better now. This has got more of a curve in it. I'm not sure about how that gold went, but like I said, I might adjust it a bit once it's dried. This is my favorite part through here. This lacing is just gorgeous. And we've got some negative space in the corner, and then this is more of a fine light lacing through here. Lost a bit of the gold off the side there. That's why I think I wanted to introduce a little bit more in, otherwise I only had that bit up the top. Yeah, I think this one will look good on a few different angles, so we'll have a look at that when it's dry. Okay, here is the dried result, and I've got it on the portrait style at the moment. Let's have a look at some of this lacing. It's fairly subtle in the bottom, and then we go up to this big bold colours, and this lacing here is just gorgeous. I love that. I have gone over this part here. In fact, I probably need to do some more layers because that colour's transparent, just covering up a bit of that gold. So I will have to do another layer there because you can see through it. Yeah, I will show you a different angle, and I quite like it this way as well. Again, that lacing just here stands right out on this angle. The other two angles I don't really like, but I will show you. It's that way. And that way. Okay, so I'll bring it back this way, and that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.